viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 543, diameter of a binary tree. Okay, so in this question you just have to return the length of a diameter of a tree, and the diameter is basically the longest length between the two nodes. Okay, it is not necessary that it should be passed through the root. Okay, so you just have to return the longest root of a binary tree. So in this question, first you have to create a int diameter which store the diameter of a binary tree, which is initially 0, and then you just have to write the function to find the height. Okay, means maximum height, which is diameter root, and also pass the diameter and return diameter. So let's write this code for a height function. Height int tree nodes star, which is root, comma, I will rewrite as a node, and int diameter. Okay, diameter. After that you just have to check if node, then return 0, int lh. You will find the left height and a right height. Height is equals to node left, comma, diameter, int rh equals to height node का right, comma, diameter, is equals to maximum of diameter, comma, LH plus RH. Okay, and then you just have to return the diameter, means 1 plus max of LH, comma, RH. So maybe this code will run properly. Here is an error in the spelling of height. Okay, let's run this again. There is an error that diameter equals to maximum of LH plus RH. Oh, you just have to find the pass by. Let's run again. Yeah, this works fine. Thanks for watching.